Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to extract text from an image using Python in just 5 minutes. In this video, we will be using the Pytesseract library, which is an optical character recognition (OCR) tool for Python. This library can be used to extract text from images and convert it into a string. Step 1. Installing Pytesseract. To get started, we first need to install the Pytesseract library. Open up your terminal or command prompt and type in the following command: pip install Pytesseract. If you didn't subscribe yet, please click on subscribe. I think it won't take more time. Your support means a lot to us. Step 2. Importing the necessary libraries. Next, we will import the necessary libraries to our Python script. We will be using the PIL library to open and manipulate the image and the Pytesseract library to extract the text. Type in the following code. From PIL import image. Import Pytesseract. Step 3. Opening the image. Now we will open the image using the PIL library. Type in the following code, replacing image.jpg with the name of your image file. Image is equal to image.open image.jpg. Step 4. Extracting the text. Now we can use the Pytesseract library to extract the text from the image. Type in the following code. Text is equal to Pytesseract. Image_to_string image. Print text. Step 5. Done. And that's it. You have successfully extracted the text from an image using Python in just 5 minutes. You can now use this text for any purpose you like, such as running text analysis or saving it to a file. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.